Hi, everybody. This is John, and we've got a question in the community where somebody's asking what is the best way to hide a specific resolution code from the choice list on the incident form from just one specific company. The way I would do it is through client scripts. Now, you're going to want to have a couple of client scripts. I'm going to show you the first one, and this is going to be a on-change client script that is going to run when the company field changes on the incident. And so as this field changes, we're going to throw some logic in here that's going to just check the value of that field. And I've used the sys-ID on this of the organization that we'd be looking for. And if it finds that organization's populated in that field, it goes ahead and removes. We're going to be, for this example, removing the closed and resolved by caller option. Now, on the flip side of it, if it isn't that company in that field, just in case it had previously removed it, we're going to go ahead and add that into it so that it's always going to be in that drop-down list if it's not the organization. So the organization that we're looking for is Acme Africa. And as I look at this form here, we can see that currently it's Able Tutor who works for Acme South America. And as we look at this drop-down, we can see closed and resolved by callers in that list. Now, if we change this and go with Abraham Lincoln, who happens to be in Acme Africa, and look at this now, we can see that that has been removed from the drop-down list. And now, one thing I want to point out and really show you guys here is that as I mentioned, you want to have a second client script for onload that has really the same logic in it. And the reason is as this form loads, that field's not changing. So therefore that logic's not going to execute. And this drop down gets added back in. So you want to have it in both instances, an on change on the field, and then an on load script that's going to look at the value of that field and apply the same logic again. So if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know and I'll get back to you. Thanks and have a great day.